Starknight is the sponsor of today's video. They make a poly tinted rear window for the Maverick R. Let's check it out. Clips of me opening it up. Not much to it. Bolting. Got some more bolting. Bolting. Okay. Side, kind of like that. And then got some bulbing. We'll try and press that on all the way around. Okay guys, I've got the weather stripping on this thing. The stuff fits nice and tight. I really like the weather stripping. Some of you have used like Super ATV. It's kind of hard to deal with. Two little brackets here. We'll see how the sucker fits in here. Let's see. Install it on the inside. Oh yeah. Go fit. Okay, so Velcro at the top, one bolt at the bottom, so we can get them lined up. Catch. Okay guys, with the brackets installed and the Velcro here, I'm going to go ahead and cinch this up. Then we'll tighten down the brackets. It'll make this thing pretty secure. We'll make sure that these Velcro straps are cinched down tight so you can tuck them different ways to make sure that they roll in and kind of be out of view. Don't want extra pieces flapping around in there. Okay, get this cinched up. We'll be all ready for winter and at least September rainy weather. Let's see. Got that kind of cinched up and roll it around. Okay, and these brackets here, and we'll tighten those up and it'll be installed. Thanks to Starknight, we appreciate it. I did purchase OEM Can-Am one. It was $450. I believe these are available on their site. I'll put a link in the description below. And they're about $150. Thanks guys.